Hey beautiful, so I am here with what is supposed to be the September Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. However, I opened my box, recorded the entire thing, read the note from the stylist, went to pause the video to go and try everything on, and that entire recording is gone. So I already have unboxed my Stitch Fix. I have yet to try the items on. So this September Stitch Fix video is going to be a Stitch Fix try on because I already did the unboxing part. I really wanted to share that with you. However, this month will just be a little different. If you want to see more Stitch Fix unboxings and try-ons, I do have more that I've recorded throughout this whole year, so you can always look back and see those videos there. But yeah, I am excited with what I got. This one will be a try-on. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is a stylist subscription service where you take a style profile and you have a personal stylist that picks 5 items for you and sends them to you based on your desired frequency. So for me, I like to get my Stitch Fixes every single month, and my personal stylist will pick 5 items for me and send them to me on a monthly basis. So this is everything that I got in September, or well, for September. Let me try them on and we'll decide what I want to keep. Okay, so the first 2 items that were included in this fix was first the super cute, it's a thin but so soft and so cozy sweater. I love this to transition into fall because again, it's super soft and cozy. It feels amazing. I wish you could feel it through the video, but I love that it's thin. So it's great for transitioning because it's not going to be too thick and too heavy. It's going to be perfect for kind of transitioning into the upcoming cooler weather. I also really enjoy the color, how it's like this neutral color to it. Definitely, I think a really great kind of staple piece, especially for fall. The second item were these denim, which is what's supposed to be capris. However, for me, you'll see they're definitely more of a full length pant, which is fine. I struggle especially with pants. Sometimes like petite sizes are too small, but regulars are a little too long and I have to get them hemmed. So these, again, were supposed to be capris, but they're definitely more of a full length pant. I cannot recommend Stitch Fix denim and jeans enough. I have several pairs of them. They are my favorite jeans to wear. They are soft, they are comfortable, but they are durable. So even though these are supposed to be capris, I definitely think this is an item I could keep. However, I do already have so many pairs, I don't think that I need them. But definitely the note from my stylist, she wanted to know how this sizing worked for me. Stitch Fix has pretty much always nailed my sizing. They always have when it comes to pants and jeans especially. So these one I'll tell her they worked, they just weren't necessarily capri in the length, but definitely a really nice pair of denim from them. But I got a couple more things, let me go try those on. Okay, wait, actually before I try other things on, I wanted to tell you, in case you like these and you want to tell your stylist you want to try these same pieces, I wanted to tell you the name, the size, and also the pricing in case you were interested in it. I'm a little bit curious. I'm gonna have to message her about these jeans because in her note she said, I know you don't prefer shorts, so I snagged these skinny capris, which will look great with the paper moon top you got in your last fix. Are these capris a good length for you? So that's why I thought these were capris. However, the card says that they are Studio Blue Canova Skinny Clean Jean. So that just says they're skinny jeans, not necessarily capris. So again, they're super soft, comfortable. I love them. They are $58, and again, it's the Studio Blue Canova Skinny Clean Jean, if you do like these skinny jeans. And then this top is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Pulsin Brushed Knit Top in the shade Off-White. This is a size small, and it is $38. Okay, and next is something that I have gotten quite often from Stitch Fix, and I love these. It is not only these dual patterns, but also two different fabric shirts. I am a huge fan of these, but this front piece is more of a silky material, and then this gray part is all t-shirt material. So this is definitely my style. I love the two patterns. I love the two fabrics. But what I really like especially about this one, which is different to other ones that I've received in the past, is this whole sleeve. So you've still got the silky floral pattern going all the way around the base of the arm, but then it cuts off here, so then you get the soft t-shirt material showing through on the shoulders, so you see the two-toned fabrics even from the front. So I really, really love that. It's got the cute tie here at the bottom. Definitely my style. As far as the name, let's see what this one is. This is the Fortune and Ivy Clarissa mixed material tie front top in the color blue. It is size small, and it is also $38 as well. Anna clearly had like a blue, gray, and white theme here for me this month. But this was another top that she included here, just like a tank top. What I did really like about it is that it came with this tie in the back, which I thought was super, super cute. But I don't think it's anything that I'm like wowed by, honestly. So I probably won't keep it, but in case you like it and want to try it for yourself, this is the Market and Spruce Lexi tie back knit top, and this is the shade navy. It's size small, and it is $44. I will say it's very comfy. It's pretty lightweight. It feels like a cotton material. I do really think the tie in the back is super cute and kind of like super unique. But for me and my wardrobe right now, I don't think that's anything I really need, so I don't think I'll be keeping this one. Okay, and this is something completely new for me, but again, I guess it's keeping with that color theme she had going on for me this month, but she picked a lounge set. To be completely honest, I don't think that this is something I will be keeping. For me, I have a lot of like loungy stuff already that I wear around the house, so I don't really feel like I need items like that from Stitch Fix. It's very soft, it's very comfortable, it is very cozy. It is definitely something that I could definitely find myself like sleeping in. The pants, however, are very, very long, so that is something that they have not gotten right with my sizing as far as lounge pants, I guess, but all denim and other pants prior in Stitch Fix have been perfectly sized. These ones, way too long, so I will not personally be keeping these. It is very soft and comfortable, I will say, but let's see. This is called the Seeing Stars Maeve Sleep and Lounge Lace Cami Pant Set in the shade gray. It is size small, and it is $44 for the entire set. And that is my September Stitch Fix try-on. Not unboxing, but try on. If you have never tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, I will have a link in the description of this video where you can actually have your styling fee for your very first fix covered for you. So that link will be in the description of this video. And again, you can refer to previous videos if you want to see more unboxing and try-ons. I even have videos where I go through like the checkout process and more in-detail descriptions of how Stitch Fix works in general in case you're new and you want to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day.